Hello guys, how are you? Wish you a warm welcome to our channel and also a little family freecourses.com. And those who are new in my family, wish you a warm welcome to all of you in my little family. Okay, so let's start it. Our today's video is very important, so I am requesting to all of you, please stay at the end. Okay, I hope you all of are beneficial from that video. Okay, so let's start it. So Coursera will give a chance to all of the students. Okay, to get a Google Cloud certification for totally free. Okay, so they will be clearly mentioned that they will divided the courses into three parts. One is the standalone course, second one is the specialization course, third one is the professional course. Okay, I am telling each of the specification very briefly. Okay, so please listen me. So first one is the standalone courses. If you going for standalone courses, you does not facing any issue. But if you going for the specification courses, in that particular case, you have to face some issues. What are that? Suppose there will be some specification course. I hope that will be okay. So yeah, give me some time. Okay, okay. So there will be a one issue in my click. Okay, so okay, okay. So there will be a pop-up comes into learn Google Cloud for free, build Google skills, expert from the Google Cloud, see promotion page from the additional details before enrollment. Okay, so standalone courses here clearly mentioned that standalone courses free for 180 days from enrollment. But again, I am telling you, after watching that video, go to that platform Coursera and enroll the standalones and space and any of that you have as per your need. Okay, you have to enroll for the professional courses, standalone courses, and specification courses. Okay, so when you click in the specification, suppose you will be enrolled for want to enroll for any specification course. In that case, when you will be click in the enrollment button, in that particular case, a pop-up window come into your screen and they will asking for your debit and credit card details. Okay, because for the specification course you have to give your credit and debit card details, and the offer will be they will providing you 1 month free access. Okay, but if you're going for any type of standalone courses, okay, so the courses will be Java microservices with Spring and Spring Boot. Okay, how the Java Spring and Spring Boot framework will work in Google Cloud. Okay, so every courses are very well structured and the contents are awesome. Okay, so it's nothing to tell with nothing to tell that. Okay, you all of are known that the Coursera's contents are very good and the courses are the well structured, well designed, and the course are the instructors. The instructor of the course are the Google's, Microsoft, Amazon's employees. They also teach you, so you will be correlate that the how good and how level the content will be. Okay, how high level content it will be. Okay, so you get a good content totally free of cost. So prepare for the Google Cloud certification, cloud data engineer. Say another you going for enroll. Say so enroll through my organization. Suppose Google Digital Lead Training. Okay, 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 okay. I get it, get it. I get it. Hold on, hold on. Get current pop-up is come explode. Okay, okay. Oh, so there will be a one network issue in my area, so that's why it will take some time. So please bear me. Okay, so does not angry with me. So I hope you will be understand what I'm saying, what I am trying to say. Okay, so there will be machine learning with TensorFlow on Google Cloud, advanced machine learning, Okay, yeah, that's it. Here you will see specializations. Okay, so when you going for the specialization courses, you will be give your credit or debit card details. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I am sharing all of the respective links in the description, and please check out the description. And please, again saying you, if you really like that video, please like that video, because it will make more motivation to make more videos, and these type of awesome courses totally free for you. Okay, so stay safe, stay happy. Okay, and wear masks always. Okay, so thank you to all of you to watching that video. Okay, and please subscribe me, because if you subscribe me at the next time when I'm uploading this type of crazy free contents, so you will get notified at first. Okay, so thank you guys, and stay safe and stay happy. Thank you.